Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix yellowish screen on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, a properly calibrated screen with accurate colors enhances the overall user experience by providing a visually pleasing and comfortable display. So, fixing a yellowish screen ensures that users can enjoy content with true-to-life colors and improve visual quality on their devices. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open please the settings on your device. So here, look for the display and brightness option, then click to open it. Okay, and in this section, find the eye care menu. If you see this menu active, please disable it. Okay, by turning off the eye care feature, the yellow tint on the screen will disappear. Eye care features are designed to reduce blue light emission and minimize eye strain, but disabling these settings will return the screen to its normal color temperature without the yellowing tint. This adjustment can help improve the visual clarity and color accuracy of the display on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix yellowish screen on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.